YouTube, what's happening, man? This you got, Mr. Why Not. What's going on with y'all on this good day, man? What's going on? Good old Tuesday, man. What do we got going on today, man? We're gonna jump straight into it. I'm finna go get this oil change, man. I ain't got no oil. I missed out on my oil change, so I gotta go get the oil change. And yeah, cause you can't let no car nowadays, go without no oil change, man. So y'all make sure y'all take care of y'all cars, man. They're gonna take care of you. You know what I mean? So yeah. But anyway, I'm finna go get the oil change, man. I'm gonna jump. You know what? I'm gonna give y'all the cold start, and then we're gonna go get the oil change, man. You know what I mean? Get this cold start very quick. Get back here. Man, she dirty too, man. I ain't drove her since the weekend. Well, day Tuesday, but man, I ain't drove in about 2-3 days. Since Saturday, I think. Yeah, but let's get this cold start right here. I'm gonna turn this camera back on, and we'll get up here. Yeah, what's happening? Turn that down. Windshield wiper going off and everything. What's up, man? YouTube, man. I'm gonna turn this camera back on once I get up here and get situated. I'll let y'all. Yo, what's up, gang, man? I'm back up in here, man. Up here, just oil change, express oil change, man. Up here, gonna get my oil change. They always change my oil, so they do a pretty good job. So I always come back up here, so they pretty good. My guys, he take care of me. I don't got time to go where they dog. I don't got time to go do that. They take too long. So, hey, gotta do what I gotta do. I've been coming here for years, so it's all good. What's going on with y'all, man? Let me show y'all this thing real quick. Let me show y'all how she look. Yeah, man. There she go. She dirty, though. She dirty. That's all right. I ain't drove. Getting this oil change, go park. That's what I'm gonna do. But people who that ain't saw my car, there you go, man. Refuse to be confused, man. Refuse to be confused. Yeah, there she go. Maybe I should have covered my tag up, huh? Oh, man. Yeah, man. Let's go. But that what's up, man. I'm waiting in line real quick, get my oil change, man. Hey, look. I got a lot of stuff to do. I got a lot of mods to do. I still got a lot of stuff I want to do to my car, so I'm working, but you know what I mean? Like I say, man, it's, hey, one mod at a time. I'm staying in my own lane. I'm spending my money, so when I get to it, I get to it. You hear me? And then still, I got my Durango also that I'm going to fix up. Other than that, I got a lot of stuff I want to do to my car though. I'm gonna get did, start doing something to it next year. It's right December finna hit Christmas. Oh man, I just got my first grandbaby on the 24th of this month of November. My first grandbaby. So right now, everything on hold to next year. Then I'm gonna start out working on my car, doing a couple things to it. And I got a lot of things. I want to change my hood out. I'm gonna change my hood out. Then I'm gonna start modding up on my car. It's a couple things I'm gonna do to it up on my car anyway. So I ain't no racer. I just like to look good. I ain't no racer. But it's fast though. I got me a raw pedal in my car. Not no pedal box. I wanted a pedal box, but man, I like my raw pedal. And my other partners got pedal box and the pedal commander. So I got the raw pedal. So yeah, she pretty fast. They do the same thing. So yeah, man. I try to do what I can, man. Get some videos up here. That's about it, you know. I'm just out getting y'all a little what you call a little vlog right now and everything. I was checking out the hat, that Bronco hat, man. That Bronco game. Yeah. One of my partners made this for me, man. You know, don't nobody got no hair like this but me. Nobody. It was freshly hand painted for me. Yeah. But like I said, man, I'm next in line, man, to get my oil change. What y'all got going? Y'all another thing, tell me what, you know, I'm new to YouTube, but that's all right. I'm getting my ducks in a row. What can I do to make some good content? What y'all want to see me do? You know, just anything. I'm looking for a suggestion because I'm trying to grow. If I keep doing my own thing, man, you know, I'm getting there. Let me know what I can do. Let me know what y'all want to see me do. You know, see my car club, burnouts. You know, with all this COVID going on, man, you really can't do too much, you know? You can, but you really can't do too much. So, hey, it's real out here now. It's real. A lot of people getting sick and all that. So, y'all make sure y'all protect yourself. Take yourself at all time, and you know. And that. Yes, sir. Appreciate it.
Every oil change, we got a test drive them for the weekend.
You got a test drive?
Yeah, for the whole weekend. I'm gonna get you in right here.
Okay. Finna get.
You order like that?
Sir?
You get all that done?
No, I had it did. I had it did.
That's amazing. Yeah, come on out here. We'll get you out here.
Turn the camera back on in a minute. Let me get my car situated. I don't want to be running over shit.
I'm getting one, bro.
Yeah, man, I'm up here, man. I'm finna get this oil change, man. She well overdue, man. You gotta make sure you take care of your cars, man. You know, I always do that, especially want to keep them. So take care of that. A couple things I'm gonna get did up. I gotta get me a oil catch can, man. Y'all sell oil catch can up here?
No, sir, we don't. They got them next door, though.
They do?
Yes, sir. Autos over there.
Probably
Number.
go get me one.
Right.
I'm gonna get me an oil catch can. I'm gonna change my cold air intake out. And I ain't started doing nothing yet, but I'm getting to it. Just been playing with it up on there when COVID was here, painting. See what I did. Hey, it's smooth right here. Smooth like a bowling ball. These my buttons. See my buttons blue, my charger. Painted that. I'm still gonna do some more to that. Hit that over there. I'm working, man. It's working. I'm getting there. One step at a time, man. Full synthetic, right?
That's what you want.
Yeah, yes, sir. I want nothing but the best, man.
Yeah, I didn't think so.
No, don't put nothing else in here. But yeah, man, I'm up here at Express Oil Change, man. Get my oil change. This is why I come get all my cars changed out. I've been coming here for years. I ain't never had no problem. And man, you know they do a good job for me. Like, you know, I'm over here on Covenant Pike. I'm on Covenant Pike next to the AutoZone. So this is where I'm at. Gotta get right, man. Gotta get right. I ain't do nothing but go take her back home, put her up on the carport. That's it. You know, to the weekend, man. I got a parade. We got a Christmas parade this weekend, so man, you know, so we're gonna do that this weekend. And let them do what they do. Make sure you don't want my car right. Let me see.
Don't forget to show me that 2222 before you put it on. You're doing that to everybody, right?
Oh yeah, he getting them right. He making sure they're right. So y'all make sure y'all come. What's your name?
I'm Doug.
Doug?
Yes, sir.
Hey, y'all make sure.
This one here, though, is Dwayne.
Uh-oh.
Good looking fellow in the middle.
His name is Doug, but he won't, Dwayne, you ready for something?
How long you been with us, Dwayne?
Yeah,
15 years.
I've been knowing for him a long time. He always work on my car every time I bring it up here.
2222 confirmed.
I've been coming up here a long time. How many quarts?
7.
7 quarts. Full synthetic. You heard me? Full
I'm
synthetic.
better looking than you are, but you're better than me.
Uh-oh. Man, y'all gotta put the good oil in y'all car, man. You know, that's your car you messing with. You know, just like your oil, that's your blood. The oil is your blood. You know what I mean? The body, that's the body. You got the blood inside the oil. You got the body, you got your blood inside your body. So, man, put you the best oil in your car, man. I use full synthetic. Don't do nothing else to these chargers, man. You got full synthetic. Don't play with it. I know some people use. I watched some channel. My guy was using this Mobile One. He was using that, so maybe it's good. So. But I'm gonna stick to what I've been using right here. Yeah, he getting it right. That's what's up. You getting it right over here, man? Y'all working now?
Got 17 pounds.
What you doing, man? Working hard over here?
Real bit, folks. Working hard. Hey, no hard working stuff.
Uh-oh. He heard you. But yeah, man, that's what's up, man. Like I said, they taking care of me, man. Make sure I'm good. I got a couple things I'm gonna do up under my car to make sure she's straight. I'm gonna start working on my mod soon. Next year, I'm gonna start working more back on my car, get some more things coming to my channel. Try to start posting them out a little more often for y'all. And like I said, I'm doing this, man. I'm learning the ins and outs, the ropes and all that good stuff, man. I got some good teachers, man. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna crank my car real quick. Y'all gotta hold on. Yeah, you two, back up in here, man. Done getting my oil change, man. Hey, look, man, she ride a whole lot better, man. She is a whole lot better. I appreciate them. The dude took good care of me too, so you know, I appreciate him for taking care of me, man. And hey, yeah, I'm gonna get up out here, man. See how smooth she rides. But yeah, man, I appreciate y'all rocking with me, YouTube, man. Fellas, everybody, man, I appreciate y'all rocking with me, staying with me. While I go handle the business right quick, but like I said, I'm gonna end this video. Appreciate it. Till next time, man. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, man. I'm trying to grow, get up there. I'm trying to make it happen, man. But other than that, appreciate y'all, man. Y'all rocking with me. Until next video, man, I'm gonna holler at y'all. YouTube, what's up, man? This your guy, Mr. Why Not, man. Back up in here again. Back. YouTube, what's up, man? This your guy, Mr. Why Not. What's going on, man? You see that?